This video is to help you understand horizontal and vertical lines, how to write the equations, or how to graph them from the equation. So first, I want you to just get out a piece of paper and write a couple of things down that you'll have as your reference when you try to answer the questions. So we write the words HOI, and we write the word VOX. And HOI stands for horizontal slope of zero like O, like, I don't know, that's supposed to be the connection there. And then y is equal to. So this is what the equation would look like. Y is equal to some number. Then, and horizontal, of course, is a line that looks like this. So vertical, undefined slope, and its x is equal to something. Okay, so come over here to the types of questions that you'll see for Desmos, from IXL. So is the graph of this a horizontal or a vertical line? Well, its x is equal to something, so I come over here. Oh, that's a vertical line, right? Because its x is equal to something. Okay, now it shows me a line. I see that that's a vertical line, so I know it's a VOX, right? It has an undefined slope, and its x is equal to. X is equal to what? We'll come here to where it's crossing. Which axis is it crossing? It's crossing the x. And what is that value? That value is -1. So you would have here x is equal to -1. Don't just put -1. It's an equation of a line, so you have to put the x is equal to part. Okay. This is an x is equal to, so I go straight over here. I know that that's a VOX. That's a vertical line. Okay. I wish they'd give you one that was different. Okay, another vertical line. Okay, we'll just look at it anyways. It's vertical, so you know it's VOX. And then what number is it crossing at? 7. So we come down here and we write x is equal to 7. I hope the next question is a horizontal, so we can go over that. Okay, is this horizontal or vertical? It's a y is equal to. So I come over here, I see that HOI, or y is equal to, is going to be a horizontal line. So clearly that's going to be horizontal. Horizontal. Hopefully they'll show us a graph here of a horizontal. Oh my goodness, so many vertical lines. Maybe if I jump ahead. Oh, this is a good tricky one. Where's the line? Where's the line? Well, it's right here. It's right on top of the x-axis. So x-axis, that, and it's vertical, so I know that its x is equal to something, but what is it equal to? Well, it's crossing at 0. So it's going to be x is equal to 0. It's y is equal to something, so I just come over here. If it's y is equal to something, that's why it's good to be able to write these notes. Now, are you going to have notes on the SOL? No, but can you remember HOY and VUX? I think you can. I think you could remember that. Really, here, finally, they gave us a horizontal line. Okay, and it's a weird bunch of numbers, right? Usually this would just be 1, 2. Well, this is 200, so I'm going to use that value. It's a horizontal line, so that means it's a y is equal to. And what number? Whatever number it's crossing at. So y is equal to 200. And that's it. That's how that works. Okay, now let's look at the other IXL that is required, because I think it is asking you to write the graph. Oops. Yes, where's this? Okay, so now you're going to graph it. Let's do some of these types of examples. Pretty simple concept, but You can get confused if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so how I know that this is a horizontal line is it's just y is equal to. Notice that there's no x after this. Notice this is not y is equal to 9x. Nope, that's different. That would be a line that's going through the origin, and it would have a slope of 9. Actually, it'd be extremely steep, right? Okay, so that's not what we're talking about. This is telling us crossing the y-axis at 9. So I come over here, and I go to the y-axis, and I go to 9. And then I pull that out to be a horizontal line, because horizontal, y is equal to. Now I hit enter. I go to where the y-axis is, I click on the number it's talking about, and then I make a line that's horizontal. Oh my goodness. Let's give me a different one. Give me an x is equal to. Good Lord. Golly. Okay, this is -4, so you're just coming down here. Finally, an x is equal to. Okay, so x is equal to, that's a vertical line. You got to make these connections, right? So come over here to -50 on the x-axis. Click on it. And it's a vertical, so I'm making a vertical line. And that's it. It's pretty simple once you, if you can get this in your head. Okay, that's all for this video.